Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Michael Levan. Thank you so much for joining me today. And what we're going to be talking about is Kubernetes and secrets. Now, Kubernetes secrets, it's no secret, pun intended, that it's a little bit difficult to manage. There's not really this central location that you could pull secrets from. Even out of the box, Kubernetes secrets are not encrypted. So, you still have these secrets sitting in a plain text file, and you have to go through several different pieces of configuration to actually set that up and make it easy to use. But with CloudTruth, we don't have to worry about that. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to set up CloudTruth to be able to secure your Kubernetes secrets and how you can use them inside of your Kubernetes manifests. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, everybody. So for this deployment, we're going to do a MySQL deployment. So it's just going to be a database that's running as a deployment inside of Kubernetes. Now, if I scroll down here, the two key parts that I want to point out is number one, on line 21, the MySQL password, and on line 23, the MySQL port. Now, what I want to do is I want to create two parameters in CloudTruth. One is going to be a secret, and the other one is going to be plain text. Now, as I'm sure you probably already guessed, the secret will be the MySQL password, and then the plain text parameter will be the container port. So let's head over to CloudTruth right here. Go ahead and zoom in. Now notice that I'm under the MySQL example project. I'm going to click add parameter or secret. And the first one that I'm going to pass in is MySQL password. I'm going to choose yes for secret parameter. I'm going to click create parameter. Now I'm going to give this a value. So I'll just give it a random value here. Password 123. I'll click save here. And now we have our secret from MySQL. Now if I click show secrets, we can see the password here. I'll click hide again so we can see it. I'm going to head back to VS Code here. Now notice the parameter or the secret matches up with the value here on line 21. So MySQL underscore password, MySQL underscore password. Let's go to parameter list again, create a new parameter for port. It is not a secret, so we'll click create parameter, and then we'll pass in 3306. We'll click save here. And now our parameters and our project are all set up. So let's head over to VS Code. Let's open up the terminal here, and let's go ahead and run our first command. Now notice here I am in the MySQL-sample directory. If I open that up, we can see this is where our deployment is. So let's go ahead and run this. Okay, and let's head over to CloudTruth. Let's go to templates. Let's do a refresh here. And as we can see, our deployment template is here. Now notice on line 21, we have MySQL password. On line 21 in the actual preview, it's not showing as plain text, which is great. That's exactly what we wanted. And then on line 23, where it says port, we have our container port of 3306. So we are officially good to go here. So let's head over to VS Code again. And then we'll pop in our command, which is going to do the Helm install. And it's going to take a look at our ct-deploy test-values.yaml. Now, if I look through here, notice how I do have on line 27 the project selector for the MySQL-example project. That way, Kubetruth knows to look at that project. Then, of course, as always, I'm passing in my API key. So let's go ahead and run that here. Now, as we can see, that's been deployed successfully to the default namespace. Now, let's take a look at some logs. We'll go ahead and we'll run kube logs on our Kubetruth deployment. And notice here how our project was processed. So I'm going to go ahead and clear our screen here. I'll run kubectl get deployments. And our MySQL deployment is officially deployed. And that's how you can pass in secrets using CloudTruth and Kubetruth.